Okay, for question 3, 2 blocks, A and B, are being pulled to the right along a horizontal surface by a horizontal 100 Newton pull, as shown in figure 2. I'm sorry. Yeah. So we go. It says both of them are moving together with a constant velocity of 2.0 meters per second to the right, and both weigh the same. Which of the following below shows a correct free body diagram of a horizontal force acting on lower block B? So the options are A, none, B, 100 N, C, D, E. Okay, so we're going to remember that Newton's third law states every action has an equal and opposite reaction. With that, with Newton's law, you will eliminate this, the first one. You will also eliminate this because on this side it's 200 versus 100 for C. So you eliminate C and A. We know that B only has 1. There's no opposite, so we can cross out B. E is 100 newtons versus 100. The difference is it's not identical. And it states every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So it's like a mirror. So out of these two, E can be correct, but this B is correct because it's 100 on the left, 100 on the right, with the same amount of force, same amount of magnitude.